Super weather.
Sunny and hot for us here on this Saturday. We've got another heat advisory in place here across North Texas for everyone here shaded in orange included in that. It runs until 7 o'clock this evening. High temperatures between 97 and 103. And the heat index value is going to be up and over 100 today. And temperatures, they climb fast. Warm start into the midday and afternoon, already into the low and mid 90s, and then eventually we'll top out into the upper 90s here today. Yesterday we hit 98. Today, very similar temperature trend for us here across the region with the upper 90s across the Metroplex. Some locations touching off close to 100 from Graham back through Jacksboro and Breckenridge today. And even though many of us won't quite hit the century mark, it's going to feel like it. Our feels like values by 4 o'clock this afternoon across the board sitting up and over 100 degrees. So it's a good day to hit up the pool today. A good way to stay cool, but don't forget about the sunscreen. The UV index, it is in the very high category today. So not just putting on the sunscreen, but also reapplying often if you are going to be outside today. Futurecast showing bright sunshine across the entire area today as we move towards this evening, continuing with clear conditions here across the entire region. Temperatures in through tonight don't fall off far. We're just down into the upper 70s in through the overnight tonight with clear skies continuing to stick with us. As we move through the day tomorrow, we'll continue to see sunshine, high temperatures again into the upper 90s here across the Metroplex. And as we move towards the afternoon, again, seeing feels like values up close to 100 degrees. Now, the area of high pressure that's been keeping us high and dry the last couple of days going to start to weaken and shift back off towards the west as we move into early next week. And that's going to open up the door for a few scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms as we inch closer to the middle part of the week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, we've got a chance for some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. It's not going to be for everyone, but any of the thunderstorms that do develop could bring in some brief heavy rain, lightning, thunder, and also some gusty winds. So again, something we'll be watching, especially as we move towards the early to middle part of next week. In the meantime, it's a summertime sizzle here across North Texas, upper 90s both today and tomorrow with bright sunshine, back into the mid 90s again as we get into the early to middle part of next week. We do have that slight rain chance and storm chance Tuesday and Wednesday.
Sign up for super weather.